really fast. This is what's going on. I have this unit working. For some reason, I'm still getting sound out of here. You hear? Static. That's because I don't have the thing hooked up. Okay? I don't have the thing hooked up. Okay? I have the head unit plugged in. Okay? The old head unit that was on top is plugged in. I have every possible thing plugged in. Okay? This is what I have. I don't know if you can see this. But I have that harness plugged into the back of here. I have all the aux cable, all the aux and front lines hooked up. I have everything that, but if you look here, there's no sound. No sound. When you touch this, no sound. You get to the radio, nothing. The volume is up. I got nothing. No sound. No sound to do anything. I don't know what else to do. I did everything in my power.